Hello everyone, I'm Coding by Anas, and welcome to your favorite development channel. Today's video is for those who want to integrate Tailwind CSS into their React projects and learn how to set up the latest version Tailwind CSS v4 step by step. Did you know that combining React with Tailwind CSS makes the development process faster, easier, and a lot more enjoyable? Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework that allows you to build beautiful designs without writing long custom CSS files. It's all about speed and simplicity. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of setting up Tailwind CSS v4 in a React project. So, without further delay, let's jump right into today's journey, taking your development skills to the next level with Tailwind CSS v4 and React.